3D printers. They're pretty cool. I've been using my Ender 3 V2 for just over 9 months now, and I've printed plenty of useful things like this, and this. Well, you get the point. Before getting a 3D printer, I was really worried that I wouldn't have anything to print out, but websites like Thingiverse really offer unlimited selection of things to print out. You can even upgrade your 3D printer by printing out parts for it. So here are some of the useful prints that are readily available online that I use on a day-to-day basis. Headphone holder. Simple enough. The prints pretty quickly with no supports. Just requires some screws so that you can mount it onto the side of your desk, and that's pretty much it. Watch holder. I have 2 solar powered watches, which means that if I store it in a box, the watch will eventually stop. So I printed out these watch holders that not only displays my watch, but also keeps it topped up on charge. This print has no supports like the other one, and prints pretty quickly as well. Soapbox. This was a requested print, and I have to say that the quality, it came out really nice. If you have a soap bar or sponges that you want to keep dry, this is a fantastic print to print out as well. But it does take a little bit more time since it's quite large. You can resize it in the slicer, but in general it still takes a little bit of time to print out. Custom parts. This is where the 3D printer really shines. So what I just discussed were parts that were readily available online that serve a generic purpose and solve generic issues. But where the 3D printer really shines is creating one-off custom prints that can be made to solve a specific problem. So here are some examples. This is my everyday carry organizer. Like most people out there, I really struggle keeping my keys, wallet, earphones, and watch together all in one place. And I've probably wasted a good amount of time just searching for these items before I was about to leave my house. So I created a custom throw tray that allows me to keep my items neatly organized. From having the idea, getting it down on paper, getting it done on CAD, takes about 2 hours, and then you can get it printed out the same day, and then you have something that you can use on a daily basis. Another great example is the 747 mods for my flight sim system. The flap system, speed brake, and clipboard were mods that were created specifically for this product and to solve and to improve my overall flight sim experience flying the 747 in the flight sim. So I've made these files available to download for free, which you can get from the link in the description below, and without a 3D printer these mods would not have been possible. 3D printing is very useful, especially if you know how to use CAD software. If you don't know how to use CAD software, then I highly suggest you to learn it. It's really quick. I believe you can learn how to use CAD software and start designing basic things within a week. The software I use is FreeCAD, and with the name it implies that it is free, so you can get it 100% for free, and there are plenty of tutorials online to use to learn how to use the software as well. So I hope this video gave you guys some ideas what you can do with 3D printing, and it's really only limited by your imagination or what you can find online. So yeah, I highly suggest you to pick a 3D printer up if you're on the fence about it. Anyways, like this video if it helps you out, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you guys next time on Patrick Sachs.